method that you used, as you described it yesterday, was used for the first time upon the request of Congressman Tupas for these titles which you eventually gave him. Is that correct?
It's new, Your Honor.
It was the first time you used it, was for the
Personally, yes,
for
Your
the
Honor.
Corona search, if we
Yes,
care
Your
to
Honor.
call it that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what happened was you used the new system, and the new system produced this list. You then put in, you then sent this list to the prosecution team. That's a fair
Yes, Your Honor.
narrative. Okay. So subsequent to that, if I'm not also mistaken, you said yesterday that after you conducted the Corona search on your new system, you then did not use it anymore.
Yes, Your Honor.
That was, in other words, was the only time you used it. Why did you discontinue using this method of searching, of computer searching, after you had generated this list?
Because, Your Honor, we realized that we have to come up with some rules and regulations also for a name search. Because if not, Your Honor, such information is very vital, and we do not want any person, for that matter, to be a subject of an inquiry that is not warranted. Your
So
Honor.
why did you suspect that that might be a possibility, or that might be a weakness in the search system that you were using?
Because, Your Honor, we are also confronted by syndicates in the land titles, and they could possibly use that system so that they can generate some information that can be used against all of us, Your Honor.
And this kind of information would be misleading. Because it is too general, it is non-specific. Is that the reason that you stopped using this new system?
No, it will not be fair, Your Honor, to some people, because by then it will send out some information that should not be given out, Your Honor.
So in your judgment, the system that you had been using was faulty, was flawed, was weak somehow, and that's why you stopped using it.
No, there were no rules, Your Honor. The use of the computer, Your Honor.
Were there any rules when the prosecution team asked for? Were there any rules being applied when the prosecution team asked you for this list, which you subsequently supplied them with?
There
were no rules, because that's why you stopped using it, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So did you not feel that those rules should have been applied in the search for Justice Coronas and his family's title search? Or is it okay that there are no rules for the Corona search, but we must apply new rules for any other search? Why that distinction?
Your Honor, it was requested
So, but again,
by the prosecution team.
but again, you yourself said that there were misgivings, that no proper rules were in place, so that that you should follow when conducting a title search. That is what was your conclusion. That's why you stopped using that system.
Thereafter, Your Honor.
Thereafter.
Yes, sir.
But for you, it was perfectly acceptable that there were no rules when you did the Corona search. That's okay. It's okay to have no rules applied in the use of this computer search when it came to the Corona search. Whereas you were thinking for other searches, those rules must be instituted, must be created, and must be applied. So why the difference?
Because, Your Honor, this is an impeachment proceeding, Your Honor.
And therefore?
And therefore, Your Honor, I must participate the best way I can. If the defense team would have asked, then I would have provided them to Your Honor.
Okay, so if there is another impeachment trial down the road, in the future, and we ask you for a title search, you will revert back to this system of no rules when you conduct that title search?
I will provide you with copies, Your Honor, because then
No. Will you apply? Will you then go back to the same system that you used in the Corona search without applying the rules that you said are missing
the rules
in the
that I
conduct
mentioned,
of those searches?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. The rules that I mentioned, Your Honor, will only provide the requester some degree of responsibility for them to be given certified copies, Your Honor, if the name search will be used.
And so you feel that those rules are not necessary in the case of an impeachment trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, it's okay. Fine. Well, that sounds to me like a double standard. But never mind. Let me proceed. So after you felt that the system that you were using lacked guidance, lacked rules, lacked regulations, you stopped using the system.
We temporarily stopped using it
Have you,
because...
have you since then started to use it again?
No, Your Honor.
No. So far, thus far, this is the only time that that search that you by your own testimony say did not have proper rules applied to the conduct of that search. It was the only time that system was used.
There was no need
No,
for rules
no.
at that time, Your Honor, because that was the first time that...
So there are no need for rules when the prosecution asks you in the coroner search, but there's rules for us, for people who are asking you when there are syndicates or for other requests. Why this one has no rules and the others need rules?
Because, Your Honor, this is an impeachment court. This
Okay,
is
so if this is an impeachment court, there's no need for rules.
I will have to assist the court, Your Honor, out of respect.
Okay,
Your
never
Honor.
mind. We can see what you're trying to get at. Okay, when you found that the system might be faulty or flawed or weak in some way, did you communicate that conclusion to the prosecution team so as to guide them to say, we did not apply these things which we would have preferred to have applied, these rules which we would have preferred to apply? Did you say maybe we should have another look at it, or you should look at the list that I gave you carefully because we did not apply certain rules which we think you should apply? Did you warn the prosecution team that there may be weaknesses in the system that you used to generate this list?
There was no weakness in the system, Your Honor. And there
There's
was
no weakness in the system. So why are you not using it?
We used it, Your Honor. But
Yes,
we-
once. Why are you not using it now?
Because
If it is perfect, if it is
Well-
working so well.
the rules, Your Honor, does not apply to the system that we're using, but on the request that will be granted, Your Honor. So if anybody would, nobody for no apparent reason will come to us and would like to search properties of a certain high-profile person, Your Honor, I think it's my duty also to be fair to that
So
person.
these rules do not exist. So right now there are no proper rules for an inquiry to the LRA.
If
That
it's
you,
okay-
you still have to draw them up, that they do not exist thus far?
Well, so far, Your Honor, if it is made, if a person who is making a request is vested with an authority of an office, and he's making a request in his official capacity, then we will provide him or her some documents, Your Honor.
But you will not use the computer search that you used before.
We will, Your Honor.
Oh, you will. But why? So why? Again, never mind. This is becoming a circular argument. But so you did not tell the prosecution that we have since stopped using this system for these reasons, and perhaps these reasons may have an effect on the, I don't know, accuracy, veracity of the list that I've shown, that I have sent you. You did not make that communication.
There was no need, Your Honor.
There was no need.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Well, so you say that the product generated by a search that was the system that you used to make that search that was subsequently no longer used because there were some weaknesses in the system, had no need. You did not feel any need to inform the prosecution. Kaya napapasubo ang prosecution dito dahil ang binigay ninyong listahan ay hindi maliwanag at mukhang hindi naman tama. And for that, should you not have warned them so that they're not put in this position now where they have to explain why 45 titles were announced when in fact so many should not have been included in the list? Since you already had, as you say, misgivings about the system, should you not have warned the prosecution? I have misgivings about the systems. Be warned. Mag-ingat kayo. Tignan natin mabuti. Let's go over it again. Something like that. Wala kayong pinag-usapan ganon?
Wala po.
Wala. So you did not, so this was the only time it was used. It is no longer being used because you feel there are weaknesses in the system.
No.
You did not warn the prosecution that you had perceived some possible weaknesses in the system. Attorney Diaz, ayaw na ako magdagdag ng sabon na inabot mo mula nung kagabi hanggang ngayon. But this is highly irregular, at the very least. And at worst, it is violative of the Civil Code, as Senator Miriam Santiago has demonstrated. So you will understand why we are quite perplexed that the manner, and shall we say the cavalier attitude you had to just printing out all kinds of titles, which in fact were not double-checked, were not used, you already had misgivings as to the product of your search. I cannot, I cannot understand why. If I were suspicious, I
May I
would say,
request
meron bang nagsabi sa'yo? Hindi bali, lagay mo na lang lahat dyan. Padamihin na lang natin. Mas maganda, mas
I
marami.
beg the forbearance of the gentleman. I will allow you to finish your questioning in 1 minute.
An interjection, a 30-second interjection related to Senator Marcos's statement, Mr. President, with your permission.
I yield to the lady.
Thank you. This is very relevant to yours. I'm just really confused because I was listening intently to Senator Santiago, and the witness said that he did not know it was an impeachment proceeding and he simply gave the list. However, listening to Senator Marcos, the witness says when it is an impeachment, he cooperated, and if it's defense who asks for documents, he would also give the same documents. And you've been discussing that for the past couple of minutes, and he said because it is an impeachment. This representation, Mr. President, is therefore perplexed as to the statement of the LRA attorney, the administrator, saying 10 minutes ago to Senator Santiago that he did not know it is an impeachment, and telling another senator judge that it was an impeachment and there are no rules on an impeachment proceeding. I am just confused.
Perhaps we can direct the question to the witness. Which is it, Attorney Diaz? Was it because it was, what, did you know it was an impeachment trial, or did you not
Of
know?
course, Your Honor.
Oh, you
It
did-
was subject of the judicial notice, Your
So
Honor.
you
It was
you
everything was
misspoke when you answered Senator Santiago.
Categorical. I just want to hear an answer categorically. Sinabi po nyo kay Senator Santiago na hindi po nyo alam na impeachment ang dahilan at gagamitin yung mga dokumentong hinihingi po sa inyo.
No, Your-
Pero narinig ko po ngayon kay Senator Marcos, sabi po nyo, dahil impeachment, kailangan po magbigay kayo at tumulong sa taong bayan. Tama po yung sagot nyo. Pero ano po sa dalawa, dahil lihis po yun at kaiba.